Aħdat rukkebu pawzi tutrejna sa trabi laħħata ta' s-saxħa ta' modu finali ta' s-tal-ħadmi. Ordinxkom safarakom għal tal-jeni marar biex traf ma' Continental Airlines narru s-samtat b'rħlatkom għajni li biex maġbatanet staqbal wa xukran wa ila l-laqqa. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to London Heathrow International Airport. For the local time is 1:45 in the afternoon and the outside temperature is 5 degrees centigrade. For your comfort and safety, please remain seated with the seatbelt fastened until the aircraft has come to complete stop or the seatbelt sign has been switched off. For those of you who like to use your mobile phone, it's now safe to do so. Before leaving the aircraft, make sure to take all personal belongings with you. Check your seat pocket and the overhead locker. If you are transferring to another flight and need assistance, please contact the airport service staff meeting this flight. I'd like to thank you for choosing Emirates Association with Continental Airlines. I hope that you enjoyed your flight and hope to see you again and good afternoon.